Welcome to Rec Room. For your first day, we have a quick orientation to show you what Rec Room is all about and give you a chance to get the hang of the controls. Head inside to get started. Rec Room is the best place to meet up with your friends and play games together. With a friendly and growing global community, you'll always have others to enjoy your time with, no matter what you love to do. Looking good. Almost everywhere you go in Rec Room, you'll see people playing games together. Don't worry if you're not too competitive. Games are a great way to break the ice. Even when the competition gets intense, the spirit of being excellent to each other is always front and center. All right, let's practice playing with some of the objects in the room. Give it a shot. Nice shot. That's it. Nice. How's your aim? Nice. Nice shot. Wow, look at you. Up and over. That's it. In Rec Room, you have free control of your hands. You can wave to others and even dance. Care to give it a go? That's it. The last stop on the tour is all about our creative community. The Maker Pen is your gateway to creation. For some, this means creating beautiful 3D artwork. For others, it means building entire games of their own. If you're ever curious to learn more about building, we have a whole creator community with friendly teachers who would love to show you around. So much of the amazing stuff you'll see in Rec Room is built by people just like you. From artistic hangout spaces, to escape rooms, to dungeon crawling adventures. You can find player-made rooms about almost anything you can imagine. The best thing is that it all happens right here in Rec Room. Just you and your friends, working together and building awesome stuff with the Maker Pen. And that's the end of orientation. You're just about ready to start exploring those millions of player-made rooms. But before you go, we have a special gift to help you find your way. Your very own Rec Room watch. Think of your watch as a magic portal to all things Rec Room. Now, every room ever created is at your fingertips. So what are you waiting for? Let's go check one out. Welcome to your very own dorm room. Pretty nice, huh? You can change your look here, decorate with your Maker Pen, or even invite your friends over.
Hey, young boy. Hey. Nice.
No,
White and
I
Red
don't
Room.
like it.
I can't believe it.
I like Juice World or XXX. They have good. No, wait.
He's
Juice WRLD's not a
fucking
rapper.
Betty White died just like in real
Is
life.
I like
Ju-
Lil
is Juice
Ace.
WRLD? No. Can't lie about that. Oh,
Damn, I nutted all
Okay,
over
it's
the
good.
fucking mirror.
I can feel my eyesight getting better.
you need some more eyesight?
I hate black coffee.
Somebody reported me. Because I told them not to do. So they kicked me.
Trying to go, bro? Trying to go?
Hi, you yes. Hi, you yes. Wanna go, bro? Hi, you come on. Hi.
It's one punch.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, you.
Yep.
Hi, you. Hi.
She coming
I'm-
tonight.
No, we don't.
Did you just assume my gender? I'm a woman. Okay.
What?
Next time, you
Oh,
better
what?
not assume my
Want some
gender.
coffee? Here's some coffee.